Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I am Ator Rahman Obi, BSc Honors, MSc in Mathematics, BA First Class. I am lecturer in Mathematics, Lal Matia Girls High School and College, ex Shawar Can Public School and College. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Obi Math Study Care. In the previous time, I have no and interested about the YouTube channel, but realizing the importance of YouTube channel, I open my YouTube channel, Obi Math Study Care. Now from today, we discuss about equation. Equation or simple equation. Basically, it is a lecture about class 6 or 7 in English version. Now today we discuss about the equation. Our first question: what is equation? Now our first question: what is equation? Equation ta ki? At first, we have to understand about what is equation. Most of the students of 6 and 7 level, they have no clear idea about equation. Now we explain about equation. At first we have to know what is equation. Here is, at first we will be clear from this example of equation. There is a example about equation here. 36 plus 5 equal to 14. There is a equation. Why we called it is equation? Here it has 3. It is the numerical symbol. X is unknown variable. Plus is operational symbol. 5 is also numerical symbol. Equality sign. And 14 is another numerical symbol. At first we have to know about what is how many symbol in our mathematics. There are in our lower class 4, 5 or 6, we have understand about, we have know there are three kinds of symbol: numerical symbol, operational symbol, and relational symbol. There are 10 numerical symbol in our mathematics, 0 and 1 to 9. That's why 3, 5, 14, these are numerical symbol. Here x is unknown variable, and there is another kinds of operational symbol: plus, minus, multiplication and division. These are operational symbol, and there are another kinds of symbol is called relational symbol. Here equality sign is a relational symbol. So what is the definition of our equation? A mathematical sentence or statement. A mathematical statement that associate with unknown variable. Here x is unknown variable. Unknown variable, numerical symbol. Here 3, 5, 14, numerical symbol. Operational symbol. Here plus is operational symbol. And equality sign is called equation. How do you mean by this definition? If we have clear idea about this example, we will be clear about what is the equation. Here 3, 5, 14 are numerical symbol. X is unknown variable. Plus is operational symbol. And there is another symbol which is called equality sign. It is badly needed to be an equation. The equation must have equality sign. So what is the exact definition of our equation? A mathematical statement which is associated with numerical symbol, unknown variable, operational symbol, and equality sign is called equation. Our next question: what is simple equation? We have idea clear idea about the equation. And next question is, what is simple equation? The equation whose degree of variable is 1. The equation whose degree of variable, that means power of x will be 1, then it is called simple equation. The definition of simple equation: the equation whose degree of variable is 1 is called simple equation. Here example, x plus 3 equal to 7. Here degree of x is 1, but 1 is always behind, so x plus 3 is equal to 7. It is simple equation. So our next question, what is the root of the equation? What is the root of equation? The value of unknown variable. What is the unknown variable here? Here x is unknown variable. The value of unknown variable is called root of the equation. So the value of x, y, z, these kinds of symbol, unknown variable, the value of x, y, z, these are called root of the equation. Our next question, all the simple equation are simple equation. All the simple equation are equation, but all equation are not simple. Explain about it. All the simple equation are equation, but all equation are not simple. Explain about it. Here notice two examples. Here 4x plus x equal to 15. It is a simple equation. It is also equation. Why it is equation? Because it has variable, numerical symbol, equality sign. So that's why 4x plus x equal to 15. It is an simple equation, and it is also equation. All the condition of equation it is satisfied. But that's why a simple equation is equation. But there is another example, 4x square plus twice x plus 1 equal to 0. This is another kinds of equation. This is the equation because it has numerical symbol, unknown variable, operational symbol, and equality sign. That's why we can call 4x square twice x plus 1 is a equation. But can we call 4x square plus twice x plus 1 equal to, it is a simple equation? No. That's why no. Why we cannot call 4x square plus twice x plus 1 equal to 0 are not simple equation? Because degree of variable is more than 1. Here degree of variable is more than 1. That's why 4x square plus twice x plus 1 is not simple equation. So we can clearly understand what is equation, what is root of the equation, and what is simple equation, and why all the simple equation are equation, but all equation are not simple. There is another kind of equation which is linear equation. We discuss about our next class. Thanks all.